Good morning students. Welcome back to the computer class. In the previous video, we have done some topics of our chapter more on internet, in which we read what is internet, what are the uses of internet, and what is email, what are the advantages of email. But now today we are going to discuss about what are email programs and how we create the email account and what are the components of email. So now we are going to discuss about these one by one. The topic is email programs. E stands for electronic mail program. Program in the sense, which type of program? Program is the web page or the web-based program which gives us the platform on which we create our account of email. So email programs may be free or paid. You have to register your name or other identification with these programs. आपको क्या करना था, जब आपको उस पेज पर आपकी इंफॉर्मेशन आपको रजिस्टर करनी होती है तो वहाँ पर आपको आपका नेम और आइडेंटिफिकेशन फिल करना होता है. व्हेन यू रजिस्टर, जब आप रजिस्टर कर देते हो, व्हेन यू रजिस्टर यू रिसीव एन अकाउंट. You receive an account in the form of email ID and a password. You are the responsible for the security of your account and password. There are some of the popular web-based email programs are gmail.com, www.hotmail.com and yahoomail.com. There are so many web-based programs on which we create the email or these programs will give us the platform to create it. The other one is the components of email program. There are some components are given of the email program. Inbox. Inbox contains all the received emails. It contains those emails which we have received from the other person. For example, you all have phones in your homes and you can see in your phones a message folder is there. And there are so many options are given in this in that folder. For example, inbox, draft, sandbox. There are so many options are given, and the received messages are collected into the inbox. And in sandbox, it contains all the composed messages, same as it is in the email. The inbox contains all the received emails. Compose. You type a message in the email using this option. The compose button gives you the base or gives you the platform on which you are creating a message in the email. Send option. You send the composed messages. Send the composed messages by using the send option. Yes, without sending option, you can't send any message to any other person. Reply. You reply to a received message using this option. Whenever you have received any message from the person, if you want to reply the same message to him, you have to use the option reply. And the next one is forward. This option is used to forward the copy of your received message to the other people. Delete option. You delete the selected messages using this option. If you want to delete any email or any message from your email account, so use the delete option. See, a picture is given in your book in which you see this one is the compose button where you write a message, and this one is inbox in which all received messages are here collected. And this one is forward button. By using this, you have to send the copy of your message to the other people. And this one is the reply button to reply the same messages. The next one is email address. Every website on the internet has its unique addresses. Yes, each and every website has its unique addresses. This is called URL, the Uniform Resource Locator. For example, www.cordova.co.in is the address of the website. The email address is a unique address of any user on the internet using email services, and it has three parts. The first is username or the account name, and the second one is the symbol, which is at the rate, pronounced as at the rate of, जो क्या करता है, which separates the name. Domain name, the part of URL. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator that identifies the particular website. The username is also known as the account name or login name, which comes first. See, this one is the info is the username, and the username and domain name. This one is the domain name. Cordova.co.in is the domain name, and the symbol at the rate. See, at the rate symbol, which separates the username and domain name. So this is the way to write the address, or this is the address of every website, which is different for different websites. Now, how to create an email account? How to create the email account? The first step is make sure you are connected to the internet, because without internet, beta, it is not possible to use the email or to create the account. First of all, you all have to show that you all are connected to the internet first. Open any web browser, for example Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer. These are called the web browsers on which we are creating our email accounts. Second one is type the www.gmail.com. Yes, we read in the previous topic the www.gmail.com. It is the address of our website, the address which are written in the address bar, and press the enter key. After pressing the enter key, you have see the home page. The home page is shown in front of you. Now third step is look for create an account button and click it. On the right side of your home page, in the upper side, see a purple box is given in which create an account is written. You have to click on it first. When you click on the create an account, see a box is appear in front of you in which you fill all the entries correctly, and after that click the button submit the form, and new window will be appear. See, the new window will be appear. Click on the continue to Gmail button to move your email account. See, the fourth step, जैसा मैंने बोला, fill all the entries. These all are the entries correctly, and click the next step. The button is given next step, and after that you are going on the same window. Click on that continue to Gmail button to move your email.